Okay. Stop. Push. Eh. Shower you with all my intentions. Get some holy intentions. The babies, kaya ano pa, sumusunod pa. But very makulit. Very makulit. Very makulit. Sila nag-aawa. So yan, that's pretty much it. I said hi to the cats. Ito nito, naantok natin. Synopsis of personal. So yeah, we're gonna do music soon. We're gonna get on tour. Excited to mag-perform. Scooters are gonna be up. So yeah. Ang huling release ko ng music was like a year ago. Or tama. Something like that. Ang huli ko nga was Let's Get Lost in for Inda. Took some time, but you know, it's worth it. So we're gonna make waves. Gusto namin mag-fangirling. Yun, miss ko rin talaga mag-perform na rin actually. And you know, paminsan-minsan tawag niya ano yun. Paminsan-minsan kailangan, ay no, ano yan? Nevi? Ano yan? Ano yan? You know, we gotta create, we gotta pause and reimagine and look, think of something new. So, yun. Hindi ka nakahanap ng task. Yun. I'm gonna ask a few questions. Hit the sack na rin right after. Anong klaseng cats gusto po yan? Maine Coons, actually. But, crossbreed sila ng mga Persian cats. So, they're very short, but tall. Basta ganun. If you know cats, you'd understand. Yung Maine Coons kasi medyo matatangkad sila. New song, yeah, I've mentioned that. The song is on its way. Ano ba? So we got, I'm working on Ella's track. You know, Mr. Price, she's releasing that sooner. We have another together, and then I have one, and then I have two, and then I have 3, 4, 5. So we got a couple of, actually marami-rami na. We're just thinking of which one to release first. You know what I mean? Best to release. So the timing, you know, we're just waiting for that perfect timing. Naglalaro ka po ba ng Adorable Home? No, but feeling ko malapit-lapit. Kasi, yun, nag-i-invite. Ayun, what do? Sige, just ask some few questions that I can answer. Yes. Let's get it. Gusto namin kanya on big screen. Yeah, you know, I'd love to, but you know, meron lang priorities to do. Things to do first. So, we're gonna get there. Again, miss na rin namin. Excited more music together, Juvenile. I would love to. Yeah, we have thank you for your enthusiasm. We're gonna release songs, something you wouldn't expect. Yeah, yan na lang. Yan. Then, hopefully, develop namin yung songs that we wrote. So it took us time. It really took us a lot of time. Kasi ako personally, it's not an easy thing. Kumbaga kailangan mong have that right direction, stuff like that. So, inuna muna namin kung saan magandang direction, what direction we're really heading, and stuff. So, yung album, I don't know, I don't think so. Not soon. Pero we got a couple of tracks na rin ready na. You followed me on Twitter recently and I've been waiting for it. Oh yeah? Ayun. See, ask questions. Don't hesitate. I'll try to ask them questions. Babalik ka pa ba sa WordPress mo? Just gonna write things. You know, to be really honest, I haven't written anything in a blog post or poem. For a reason siguro. The reason because for the past few months I was able, I'm fortunate, blessed enough to be able to express it right away. But hopefully, you know, and hindi na sulat, siguro yung mga next na lalabas kong thoughts, train of thoughts and stuff, ay pupost natin ng video para mas malapit. Hello, I'm Kyla. You follow me on Twitter also. Hey, what's up, Kyla? I follow you. Yeah. Sir Juliet, nag-dance pa po ba kayo? Excuse me, nag-dance pa po ba kayo ni Ella? Actually, that's another thing. We haven't danced together. Not, ano ba? Just for no reason. Mga ano lang. Timing, you know, we're just, meron kasing ganun, you'd feel when it's the perfect time, it's the perfect moment to create something. So, anong tawag sa kulay ng hair mo? Well, turquoise talaga siya, but fade na siya eh, so, what color should I do next? Yan, ano na magtatanong. Should I go wild pink one or something violet or darker one? Should I go back to the dark colors? Let me know. Ba't po ganyan ang napili niyo pong kulay ng buhok? Matagal ko na siyang gusto actually. Tingin ako nabigyan ng chance to do it. Any dance videos soon after that 12 videos? Meron. Sabi ko, I'd do my best to create 3 dance videos before this month ends. So, yun, nag-aaway na naman po yung dalawa. So, nice. Rose gold, the color, that's quite loud. Sige, tignan natin. Ano pa kaya? Sige, baka may iba pa yung suggestion. Red, something like that. Dark colors. Na may kulay. Okay. Parinig ko ulit ng kanta ng bayan. Alam niyo na yun. True ones knows that. Long road. Ano po ako love? Because my mind and my heart chose to. And it's not something that I didn't know. Something that was caught by the feeling. It's all conscious choices. It's a constant thing to do. It's a constant thing to choose you, to choose, you know, Yun lang. Okay na? May makasali dito eh. Ba't ka nagtatanong, ha? Love. Love. What is love? It's not, we're not that cheesy one. Pero, given a chance to proclaim your love or parang sa dulo ng dito. Pwede ko na, gotta get back to it. Gotta get so sexy again. Wala dyan. Sige, kumain ka dyan ng madami. Bala ka. Nagti-TikTok ka ba? Nope. I don't do that stuff. Huh? Well, eventually, konting pilit na lang. I just have lots of, holdbacks doing stuff like that. Kasi nga, parang, ano ba? Well, I started, doing dance videos kasi long time ago. Not so long time ago. Nabutan ko yung moment where there is creativity, there's time na sinusunod to create something new, to create something to share. Kasi lang naman ako. It's not that I hate it. Pero it's something that I don't think I'd do it soon. Pero, pwede akong magkaroon ng exception. Siguro I can do that. I won't do any other things. I mean, I'm gonna create something for myself. Something new. Renegade. Shit. Nagwawala sila. May session sila. Nagkukungfu sila sa gilid. Tinengi, tsaka siya. So, Julian, bakit green ang buhok mo? Curious lang ako. Wala masyadong malalim na reason with my hair. Gusto man laliman, liberty, freedom. It's just nice, di ba? Sometime in your life, you did something loud, or you did something really fun, green is fun. Nag-aaway nga sila nung dun sila sa court. Ayan na, tumatakbo. Kaya akong guluhin. Respecting their time. Kaya pinagalitan ko yung dalawa kagabi. Kasi nga, may umiiyak na yung sino. Pinag-iwalay ko sila ng kwarto. Ayun, hinanap naman nila yung mga sarili. Diba, ang weird? But, Nev is very sweet. So, sa kinakagat na naman ni Berlin. Si Nevi sa dibdib ko natulog kagabi. Nag-aharo ko na kasi. Don. Pilitan. She's very sweet. Maharot lang din. Okay. Si Berlin ang gigigil sa kanya. Very sweet as well. Sana magka-short film ulit kayo ng segment with when she gets back. We're gonna create stuff like that. Don't worry. Batang pasaway. Sasabay. San si Marty, she's home. She's about to be home. So, nandyan lang siya. Busy. But may other cat. Nasa isang bahay lang siya. But she's coming tomorrow. Tingnan na lang namin yung babies. Big girl na siya Babae na po. book. Big girl na siya. Kyle Pitong Sumay, maraming salamat. Mr. AJ says kay Hoy, pansin mo parang sige na matulog ka na. Pinapansin na kita. Go sleep. Get your 8 hours sleep. Rengrade. Hindi ko naman nabubuksan. It's not working. What do you like? Sabi dito, pinayagan mo si Ella magmotor. You know, she doesn't need to ask anything from me. Then if that something is something she's wanting to do, so I don't she doesn't need permission. She's a grown woman, no? So we don't do like that. I let her be. She let me be sa mga bagay na gusto. Kasi alam natin yung parameters, limitations, and whatnot. Kita ko yung jawline mo, pwede siya. Let's get it. Let's get it. The jawline is making a comeback. So proud. So proud of me. I'm so proud of me. Now proud. So proud of myself, you know. Kasi nga, go to these Javaris. Mano ba nanundig ko? Kailan po plano niya mag-ride? Ayun. Becky. Ano ba nangyari? Prince. I'm just gonna answer some few questions, then I'm gonna bounce. I'm gonna hit the sack. Layup it. Idol isang wow naman na malapit. Nope. Joke lang. Yeah, you know. Mga challenge. So I guys don't have any burger questions, so I guess I'm a bounce. Right. So meron pa papasok. Diba? Kailan po ito palabas? Yung Not Speak Out Story Season 2 sa Sari-Sari. Alam ko show napalabas yung please do check it out. Ayun. So again, maraming salamat for spending a little time with me. I just had to do a quick live just to get you guys a few updates. Yun. I'm excited. So I'm very much looking forward to performing again. Before this month ends, I think we're out to perform. Pero March talaga yung parang big push to perform out. So, yun, saan makapunta kayo? We'll be, be posting it naman. Ng mas matagal. So you guys can compare, drop by, block sketch and stuff. And, you know, forgive me because hindi mo na kayo makajump because it's gonna be new stuff, new songs. I'd probably sing para dance, kinikiligin. Pero yun, basta marami kayong excited. Sana excited na kayo. And without further ado, Berlin is here. Berlin, man, nasa ng iyong kapatid, si Nevi. Say hi, Berlin. Berlin, naamoy fish. Are. Very good. The pwesto. Baby. So, yun lang. Okay lang ba? Napapaalam na ako.
Pusi Rips, nasaan ka na? Pusi.
Uy.
Saan ba? Pusi.
Ba na? Shoutouts nga pala. Sino shoutouts? Shoutouts to you. Okay, naglaro na po. And, so maraming salamat. See you soon. Yan. Safe. May pala tandaan ba si Nevin si Berlin? Yeah, actually. Very, very subtle. Berlin, Nevi has white hairs. Most distinctive white hairs. Compared to Berlin. Sa bandang very not so distinct. Hindi mo siya mapapansin pag sa malayo. Hello. Ayun lang. Thank you so much for spending time and update soon. Have a good night, people. Stay alive.